Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
The rear wiper blade can be difficult to remove because it does have a metal cover on it, but it's like a traditional wiper blade underneath. However, we're going to use a mirror here to help show you. There is a tab here, just like the wiper blades that used to be on the front of vehicles. You'll push it in to unlock it, and then you need to push the wiper blade out. You're probably going to need 2 hands, so once you feel where it is, I'm going to grab it and we're going to push it this way. Slide it off of the hook. That should do it. I'm going to take the mirror out of here. It's unlocked. It should come out. Work it off the glass. Lower this gently so it doesn't smash against your window. And there's the wiper blade. So we're pushing in on this tab here, just like that, and it's unlocking. So yeah, it's a little tricky to get in there. Once you know where it is, it's easy to do. You can do this on the car, but we've taken this off so you can see what's happening. So when you clip this in, you're pushing it up into the hook, it's snapping into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.